Messy backgrounds in your thumbnails? One command and they look studio-ready. Need product shots in different colors? Change them with a click. This is Google's brand new Nano Banana AI, designed for students and creators. So what exactly is Nano Banana AI? Let's try something different. It's Google's latest AI tool, now available on AI Studio and through the Gemini API. With simple text prompts, you can edit images like a pro, change backgrounds, switch colors, or adjust angles, all while keeping objects consistent and at lightning speed. Let's see how it works step by step. Turning a 2D design into a 3D figure. First, upload your flat drawing. Then, type a prompt like this. Within seconds, Nano Banana transforms your sketch into a 3D model. You can even preview it in different angles, just like holding a real figure. Here's the before and after. Flat art becomes a collectible. Nano Banana isn't just about editing images, it can even bring your dreams closer. Take a simple selfie, upload it along with a photo of your favorite idol, and type a prompt like this. In seconds, you'll have a lifelike picture of you and your idol side by side. Try different styles: concert backstage, casual street shot, or even a coffee shop meetup. It's the perfect way to create your own fan moments. Nano Banana focuses on images, but if you also need help with writing, like polishing essays or bypassing AI detection, I recommend Tenorshare AI as a perfect complement. Together, they cover both your visual and text needs. So, what would you use Nano Banana AI for? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe.